We're gonna pick the world's smallest cantaloupe.
The vine is dead, so we're just gonna pick it.
Look at that little guy.
It's smushy.
Is it?
Yeah. And there's a hole in it.
Oh, gross. Just kidding. It's the... Ew, pop the pimple. Oh.
There's one that fell.
Don't touch all that. Ew.
I said there's one that fell right there.
Ew. Pop the pimple. What's that? Some other melon.
Okay, look at this one. It kind of looks like a pear, doesn't it?
Yep. You want to cut it open?
Yeah. Here it is. Let's see.
Careful.
It's hard. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's like a little baby cantaloupe. You want to try a piece?
Yeah. Wait, no, I can get a spoon. It looks so good. It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah. It tastes like real cantaloupe. Taste it.
Looks like Jell-O. Yeah, not super sweet because it's not ripe.
But I mean, it is good.
Scrape out the juice, all the seeds. That little guy had a lot of seeds.
There's still more in there. There's seeds in there. Can I eat them?
Yeah.
I can eat this tiny seeds?
Mm-hmm.
They're so good.
Is it good?
I can...
Very good.
It is?
Not bad. Not super sweet, but...
The white part is actually pretty sweet. See the, like, kind of white part right there?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty sweet.
Okay, are you all done?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Baby cantaloupes. Yum.